still have some time to go.
Also, if you could kindly add the reaction of the opponents of Ahmadiyya after your election to Khalifa.
The reaction of the opponents to your election.
That was very interesting and strange. The reaction to my election, which occurred in the Non Ahmadies was strange. It had never happened before like this. Hadith Khalifa was elected, and yet Ahmadis elected, and not the Non Ahmadies. Why should he be elected? Khalifa was second was elected, and the Non Ahmadies didn't say, why should he be elected? It was not their concern. The same happened with the third Caliph. But in my case, the reaction of the Non Ahmadies were very strong. Because before my election to the Caliph, I had been working for Hadith Khalifa as his political secretary. And as such, I had traveled far and wide and had made contacts, and Ziaul Haq knew very well that I held some power over people. And he found me a very difficult adversary and a really hard nut to crack. So that is why the reaction among the mullahs and also in the government circles was very severe. They didn't want me to be elected. Why? What business had they got with whoever is elected? But they knew, and that was the time when Ziaul Haq conspired against my ultimate arrest and things which he could not achieve. Yes. You know, in one of his private meetings, which was reported to me by some persons who were very dependable, he had mentioned this, that according to him, of course I was not the cause of Bhutto's rise to power, but according to Ziaul Haq, it was I who was responsible for Bhutto's rise to power, and it is I who poses a real threat to Ziaul Haq. He said, I am going to see to it that before that threat is created, he is destroyed. Which of course tried his best to do. But Allah is far more powerful than any human being. Right?